Hello everyone. This is a response to Hello everyone. This is a response to Objectively Speaking. Would you like to get out of here? Anyhow, this is a response to Objectively Speaking. My problem with the subjective versus objective debate is objective means exists apart from or independent of the viewpoint it's perceived from. And subjective means that it is dependent upon the viewpoint or perspective something is perceived from. And to be perfectly honest, the viewpoint is a part of reality. The internal model I have of the world, that these guys have of the world, that you'd like to get out of here with them. Come on. That's right. Anyhow, then he's going to go right after him again. Oh, he went to the chair. Anyhow, you come back up here. Anyhow, you see, to me, I'm making a video. To them, I'm messing with them and making weird noises. Yet, both of these opinions have a certain validity, and one second. There we go. We'll see how long they stay. Anyhow, you have the idea of reality. Subjectivity and objectivity both take viewpoint as something that is outside of reality. And that's absolutely ludicrous, since yeah. Anyhow, the whole, unless you take reality as everything that exists, you're denying certain things as being real that exist, and that's a problem. Or if you take it as outside of reality, for instance, subjective or objective, you're taking perception and saying it's not part of reality, when perception is driven by biological processes and emotions and sensory organs and things like that are very much a part of reality. So it seems to me that the entire debate, I sort of find myself agreeing with the original video, but for very different reasons, that the entire debate is kind of silly. And it is important to determine where perspective comes into things, but neither is it possible to make perspective on something the entire basis by which to judge it, whether it's the absence of perspective or predominance of it. But anyway, y'all have been remarkably well behaved, and thank you very much for your time and attention.